In this brief lesson, I want to show you how to create a child theme in WordPress and install it to your web server even if you don't have FTP access. Okay, as you can see here, I'm looking at the Themes submenu inside the Appearance menu of my WordPress admin panel, and I currently have 2012 installed. What I want to do is create a child theme for 2012 and install it. Let's quickly take a look at the website as it looks with this 2012 theme installed. It's a pretty bare bones theme. I have a number of posts in here, and if I zoom out a little bit, you can see just a background color, a content area that's got a white background, and a header at the top, a couple of menu items, and a few posts. Okay, we're going to recreate this as a child theme. So let's go back into our admin panel. What I need to do is go ahead and open up, for example, on a PC, open up Windows Explorer and go ahead and go to a place where you want to create your child theme. I'm just going to create it in my website folder here on my hard drive. Doesn't really matter where you do this work as long as you know where to find it, because you need to go and find it to upload it. We're going to come here and I'm going to make a new folder, and I want to call this folder 2012-child. Again, it's going to be a child theme of 2012, so this is a standard way to name the folder for the theme. And there can be no spaces in this folder name, so something like this would work great. All lowercase. Hit enter and I finished creating that. I'm going to go inside that, and inside this folder now I need to create a style sheet. It has to be called style.css, style singular, not plural, and it has to be all lowercase. And so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and go into my favorite text editor, which is Notepad++. So I'm going to open up Notepad++ here. Now, instead of having to type out my child theme template from scratch, I can more easily go to WordPress.org and use the template that they have there. So opening up a browser here and going over to WordPress.org, I'm going to go to this particular page. You'll see it here in the URL. It's codex.wordpress.org/child_themes. If you go there and go down the page just a short bit, you will see here a template for a child theme. And you want to go ahead and select everything that's in this box here from beginning to end and go ahead and copy it, Control-C, and then go ahead back to your favorite text editor that you have open and go ahead and paste that in. That would be Control-V on a PC. It's really important to note that I have a / asterisk at the beginning and a asterisk / here. That marks all the data in between as a comment. So the first part of your template is all comments. This line is not a comment, and it is an import statement. We're importing a style sheet from a parent theme, and then we have another comment here that comes down to this point. It's really important that those are placed as you see here and that you don't omit any of those comments or the beginning and end marks of the comment. Okay, so this is a template for a child theme for 2013, but I want to make a 2012 child theme, so I'm going to change some of the references to 2013 here, make it 2012 child. This is the theme name. This line is essential in any template for child theme, or else it won't work. Next is the theme URI. This would just be a web page that is a demonstration or an example of the theme, and so you can put your URL for your website in there. And then we want a description. Go ahead and put 2012 child theme. You can put anything you want there, as long or short as you want in that description. The author would be your name here, and then the author URI would simply maybe be an about page or something like that, where you have information about yourself. Again, not essential, but you can go ahead and put that information in there. This is really important. The next line, the template has to be pointing to the folder for the parent theme that you're making a child for. So in this case, we're making a child theme of the 2012, so we have to have 2012 in here, all lowercase, no spaces. And version number is up to you. but since this is the first version of this child theme, I'll just leave it as written there. Another line that has to be changed here now is this folder name 2013. We need that to say 2012, because again we're making a child theme of the 2012 theme. So what we're doing here is we're importing the style.css document from the 2012 theme and bringing it into our child theme. Okay, once you've made those changes, again the most important lines are the theme name, the template line, and the import URL line. Those have to be written as you see them here. I'm going to go ahead and go File, Save, and I want to save this in my 2012 child folder that I just made, and I must save it as, again, style, style.css, spelled just like that, all lowercase, and I'll save it. And once I do, you'll see that now all of this code is color-coded. Green marks comments, blue marks other elements in the style sheet, and so you can see where the the comments begin and end. It's very important that you would see yours looking something like that when you got done. Okay, I've saved my style sheet, and I can go ahead and close that document down, and now go back to my folder here. Now I see this style sheet that I've just created is now located here inside my 2012 child folder. Now what we can do to upload this to WordPress is to zip it, which is a utility on most PC computers and Macs as well. You're going to create a zip file from this folder. And on a PC, all you have to do is right click and choose Send To, and over on the right flyout menu you'll see Compressed Zipped Folder. This is the built-in Windows utility for creating a zip file. And as you can see, just like that, I created a file called 2012child.zip. That's the file that we're going to upload from WordPress here. So let's go back to the WordPress admin interface here, and I'm in the Appearance area under Themes, and we can see again currently I have 2012 and 2013 installed, but I want to add a new theme, the one I just created. So all I need to do now is come to the Install Themes tab and click on the Upload option, which you see here. Now I can choose File and go into the location where I saved my 2012 child theme folder, and here's the zip file that I want. Click on Open, and when I click Install Now, WordPress will automatically unzip that file and install the theme. Just as quick as that, it's been done. It installed the theme. It identifies this as a child's theme here and says that the parent theme, which happens to be 2012 1.3, needs to be installed. It sees that it is, and so now the theme has been installed successfully. Okay, so I can go back to my themes area here. Now I see I have 3 themes installed. The 2012 child theme is right here. It doesn't have a screenshot because I did not include one, but that doesn't really matter. I can go ahead and activate the theme here, and now my 2012 child theme is now the active theme. And if I want to go ahead now and visit the site, clicking here, we can see that I have a theme that looks exactly like the parent theme, the 2012 theme, which I just showed you. And the only difference now is I have the opportunity to edit a child theme instead of the original theme. That way I won't lose any of my changes when the parent theme is updated. Okay, so let's go ahead back here, and that's the process for creating and uploading a brand new child theme.